Okay, so now we are going to see about promoting our videos with the help of one more powerful tool known as social media. So, we all know that there are various channels in social media like Facebook and Twitter, which have millions to billions of users visiting them on a monthly basis, and that power can be utilized by us to get views for our videos, because the more promotion of the video, the more views it will get. The more views it will get, finally the more famous our channel will be. There would be ultimately more subscribers, and there it will also help us to get revenue or earn through ads from our channel and videos. So to do that, we have basic social platforms, plus there are even mobile first platforms, that is socializing through your mobile itself, in the form of Instagram and WhatsApp as well. Here majorly our focus will be around these basic known platforms. You can dig deeper and even connect on other platforms like LinkedIn, or even any specific social media site like Tumblr, Reddit, or anything else which you may be using for even instant messaging or even for apps. But let us see step by step what all possibilities are there in at least all these platforms. So, when we are talking about the major social platforms like Facebook and Twitter, there is the possibility of doing promotions in free way. So, for example, on Facebook, we can promote our video by creating a page for our organization, for our product or service. Secondly, we can become a part of certain group, so we can participate in groups which are related to our product or service and post the link of our video there. Apart from these methods, we can even use the power of ads. We can do Facebook ads and promote our video to our required audience and get more views. Similarly, on Twitter, there is the possibility of using Twitter ads, and apart from it, there is even the method available there of creating your Twitter handle and promoting your videos with the help of your handle. So I'm going to just give you a brief about where this can be done. You can definitely look into these processes in detail on the interface yourself. My main aim is just to get you acquainted with all of these and get you an idea about what they mean. So let us check out on Facebook. If you want to get started with creating the ads, you have this tab on your interface which will be having the name create advert. If you click onto it, you will be landing onto a page where you can create your ads. There you will be required to enter details about your account, to enter details about your payment and more. And once you do that, you can get started by creating your ad. Here there are variety of possibilities for which an ad can be created. In our scenario, our main aim would be to get video views, because we want people to view our video. So we will select that element, and then we will create the ad as the process is shown. There is a very simple process which is there in Facebook ads to continue with and create the advert. I'm not going in the details of the same. You can actually go ahead and click on continue past this button, and then you will be required to define the various set of details like the location, the kind of audience you want to show your video to. Like for example, if our audience is related to a particular segment, we can enter that. We can even enter the languages, that if we want only people who speak English US language, we can select that. Then we can also select the devices and other elements, and pass we are done with it, we create an ad and get started. Here also there is the element of how much amount we want to spend on each day, and then what is the total spend which will happen for the week, as well as what will be the spend we'll be doing on each view that our video is getting. So that's a method to do it in Facebook. Similarly, if we want to do paid ads in Twitter, we can do it by first logging into our Twitter account on twitter.com. If you don't have an account, you can create one by logging on the home page of Twitter and entering your basic details like email address, password, etc. Once you are into your account, on the top corner there would be a icon where you can set a image of your account for your profile, so you can go ahead and do that there. And then there will be an link known as Twitter ads, that is the starting point for creating ads on Twitter. Once you click out there, here again there is a similar process of selecting your time zone, your country, your billing details. Once you do that, once you select those different elements, you can then start creating your ads itself. So go ahead and select depending on the nearest location of your time zone. And then here also again, once you get started, you will be asked about details of your ad which you want to create, and there select as to what you want to do. So here also you can see there is one method of getting video views. So we'll click on that and then click on the tab of create campaigns. Again, here I'm showing just the brief elements of how this is done. You can explore it yourself. It is very easy to do step by step by just entering the required elements as to the demographics like the location and the age of the user, then the budget part as to what you want to spend, and then finally the link of the video which you want to promote. So that's the method of doing it. So here, let's say it is first asking for naming the campaign. So let us name the campaign as get video views, so as we know what is the campaign for, as well as name the product for which we are promoting it. Then in audience we'll need to select the country or the location, and once we are done with it, we specifically if only want males to see it, we'll select that. If we want people who know English language to see this, we'll select that as well. And then going further, if we want to target any set of particular people using the different features, we can do that by this. But I would suggest, as you are just starting for doing your ads, you can skip that part and only do the basic element. Then here is the amount which one would like to spend per day. So maximum, if I have a budget of just spending $5, then I will enter out here. And then in all, let's say in a time frame of 1 week or 2 weeks, I only want to spend a total of $30. So I can enter that total budget here, means in a day maximum the spend would be $5, and as soon as the spend reaches $30, my campaign will be paused till time I do not increase my total budget. And finally then there is the part of adding your creative. So either if there are some old tweets in which you have the creative, you can enter that, or you can even compose a new tweet. Like we want to promote our videos, we can compose a tweet out here, or we can even create an ad by adding the video So we can click there and add a video with the help of a video library which is there on Twitter. So we need to add any creative or video here. Once we do that with the help of this upload media button, once we add that video from our system, it will be available. But ideally, in our case, this option will not be useful because we want to promote a video on YouTube. So here we have created a tweet as well as inputted our YouTube video URL so as people will watch it. And once we are done with it, we can click on launch and we'll be required to enter our details regarding our card, and then the campaign will run live. So these are two methods of how paid part of promotion can be done on Facebook as well as on Twitter. We'll see more insights about these in our coming tutorial. Thank you.